Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. Have you ever ran into the problem deleting a partition on a hard drive? Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that. I have a solid state hard drive plugged into a USB adapter that's plugged into the computer here. As you can see, it's under disk 1. So, first thing you'll want to do is just search disk management, bring it up. This is what it'll look like. Yours may be a little bit different, obviously, depending on what hard drives you have and everything else. But if we right click on this, we can make a new sample volume. We can delete this volume. We can delete that volume. And once that's done, as you can see, it deleted it. But we can't delete this one. And we can delete this one. So we'll go ahead and delete that one. Okay. But as of right now, we'll just delete this one. Now make sure you're doing this obviously on the right hard drive. That's the main factor. We don't want to format and delete partitions on your main drive. That would be not a very good idea. So, now we're down to this. We can't delete this guy. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on your search. Then we are going to type in disk part. And when it comes up, we'll right click, run as administrator. We'll just hit yes. Alright, so now we have that up. We'll just keep the disk management open. So, if we do a list disk, you can see here, we want obviously disk 1, as you can see over here. We don't want to mess with the one that is running your OS. So what we need to do is type in select disk 1. So now that that's selected, we can go ahead and let's just list the partitions. Okay, so now, as you can see, we have the 40 meg partition here, and that's the one we can't delete. So what we are going to do is select partition 3. Hit enter, because as you can see, that's the one we want. Now this is obviously critical. You got to select the right number. Yours might be 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. So now what we need to do is to delete that, we need to type in delete partition override. Alright, so now it's deleted, and as you can see, it disappeared. So we can go ahead, select new, hit next, yeah, we'll just do that. Your options may be different. So right now it's formatting. And once it's done, we'll be back to original hard drive like it's right out of the box to do whatever you feel like that you need to do with it. So once it's done there, we'll be ready to reuse this hard drive again. So, alright, there we go. It came up, it sees it, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for another one. Don't forget to hit the share, and subscribe button, and we'll see you later.